Magandang araw sa iyo. Naghahanap ka ba ng practical and simpleng leadership training that's also affordable para sa development ng tao mo? Baka makatulong ako. Alam mo, today I really believe what is keeping businesses from really fulfilling their full potential is the ability to develop good leaders. In fact, I believe there's a vacuum of leadership today kasi lang ang bilis-bilis ng movement ng negosyo and karamihan ng mga leaders, mga bata na. I believe they are good, kaso lang no time to develop, and most of the leadership training today are expensive. Starting May 4, I will be conducting a webinar leadership series called Leadership Lessons from the Ways of a Farmer. The program will have 10 webinar lessons, and there will be 2 lessons every month, and you can attend these lessons by joining our subscription program sa Facebook at saka sa YouTube. Those who will join will be given access to the Zoom lessons. I am doing this because I am hoping that I can put this lesson in a book in the future. So naisip ko, maybe it would be nice to run every lesson to the public, get your questions and then get your comments and also feedback so that I can really make a good book in the future. Alam mo, in farming, I would say, every seed has the potential to become fruitful, but it does not become fruitful on its own. It needs a good farmer to bring out its potential. Naniniwala ako, in leadership, it is the same. I believe all your people have the potential to become great leaders in the future, but they do not become leaders on their own. They need a good mentor or a good leader to bring out that potential. And this is what this webinar program is all about. Yung mga lessons na isi-share ko sa inyo include principles of how I was able to take simple people and make them great leaders in our farm. Alam mo yung aking high value crop manager, grade 5 lang yung natapos doon when he joined me. Yung aking livestock manager, high school lang ang natapos niya, yung sumama siya sa akin 20 years ago. Often business gurus will tell us, hire the best. Alam mo what I discovered? Many of us cannot hire the best. When you're an entrepreneur, wala kang pera to hire the best. Even if you have a lot of money, many times we cannot hire the best. Why? Because the best are working for someone else already and they will not let them go. I am hoping that this leadership series program can really help businessmen. Kasi ang dream ko is to see all Filipinos become fruitful. So kung gusto mo yung mga tao under you to join, just ask them to click the link that we will be putting in the comment section. Sana matulungan kita. Sana tulungan mo rin ako makatulong sa ibang tao. So I hope to see you in those lessons and yung mga taong kailangan mo mag-grow in their leadership. Maraming salamat and may God bless all of you.